Bhubaneswar Photography started a humble beginning about 3 years ago to nurture photography among beginner and budding photographers. Bhubaneswar Photography boasts of having top and veteran photographers as well as new and budding photographers not only from Odisha but from other parts of the world as its members. In view of encouraging creativity in photography and acknowledging the author, Bhubaneswar Photography has been showcasing top images curated by highly decorated photographers and mentors. This has been possible due to active participation of members. In coming years, we will continue our endeavor to grow this group as a platform for showcasing creativity in every genre of photography. Let me introduce you to some of our pillars of Bhubaneswar Photography. Our mentor, Mr. Sanjit Patnaik. He started photography at an early age. The idea of photography grew as a passion inside him and he pursued cinematography in BPFTI of Odisha. After completing the course, he joined different media houses and excelled with experience and exposure. Currently, he is working with the national broadcaster. He has been felicitated with various awards for his outstanding contribution to photography. He loves to capture emotions of people, street, macro and wildlife. He is the founder member of Mushroom Photography Circle, the leading photography club of Odisha. Next, our moderators, Pramod Nath. Working as Audit Officer in Accountant General Audit Office, Bhubaneswar. Since childhood, he is interested in drawing and painting. Subsequently, trained as a watercolor painter. He started photography as reference for painting work during 2003. He got his first camera in 2009 and pursued photography since then. His primary interest is in macro photography. And Rasmi Ranjan Sahu. Working in SBI Mutual Fund for more than a decade, he has established himself as an avid landscape photographer, though he likes to explore all other genres of photography and does some serious macro photography also. He has a number of awards to his credit from SBI and also from various photography groups. Let us have a look back and travel through the time to watch the choicest images of Bhubaneswar Photography.